What's going on, guys? So today's gonna be kind of a weird skip kind of update video because you haven't seen what I'm about to be working on, so I'll update you guys a little bit. We're gonna be doing a lot of work on the GoPro today because I'm gonna be out in the cold and my hands are gonna be goddamn freezing. I just want to do a little intro before I went out there. We're gonna be throwing an exhaust on a car and it's completely stock, but you guys will see why. So I'm gonna throw you guys on the mount and we're gonna go grab that and then you'll see.
It's beyond the beat, yeah.
God damn, dude, this shit's heavy as hell. Oh. Give it a shakedown. Well, that bad boy's going nowhere. I'm recording. Hey, I see the red button. Let's go. I'm gonna go through the front. Hopefully, nobody runs me over. And hopefully the GoPro fits. Oh, I just rubbed against the header. No extension needed. And now we're just gonna swivel. Oh, and you guys are just gonna fall off my head. Well, that happened. Well, I had a hat on. I no longer have a hat. Oh, and something just dripped in my face. That's really cool. Hold on 1 second, guys. Alright, so maybe this will be better for you guys. So, motor mount there between the sway bar, and then motor mount there. Oh, fuck you again. Fuck me. Gonna take the gun. It fit on the other side. So up until now, I have yet to introduce you guys to my project for this past winter. I picked this car up maybe November, like early mid-November, something like that, because I was gonna swap everything from that car into this car. But then I realized I just wanted to flip it. So I picked up a motor for it. Came no motor, but 5-speed. Redid head gasket, timing belt, water pump, you know, the usual. Plopped this motor in here with Mike the other day. So it does have a rebuilt title, and as you can see, it was, or this fender at least was red, but painted silver. Pretty good paint job too, you can't even really tell. It has a pretty sick grill that I might steal. It's a little cracked right there, so I'll fix that up on my car. Has Koenig wheels, I don't know the names, all season tires, yada yada. This is an 08 chassis from an 06 motor, so I don't have this plug as well, so I'm gonna need to do something about that. I'm gonna look that up. I'm gonna get the front O2. I need the rear O2 extension, if you guys don't know. Right there. I'm gonna throw you guys back on the Pro right there, and let's get to it. So right now, we're hanging off the stud. There, and there's one under it. And there's a bracket that is, guys, oh my God. I forgot a gasket. Let me go get that. Alright, boys, we are back. Got the gasket because I'm a dummy. And let's get back to work. Alright, guys, this is Nate talking post-production here. So I'm just gonna throw in some clips of me doing what I did the rest of that day. I ended up getting the downpipe on. I could not do the catback because there are actually no exhaust hangers on the car. I tried to do the intercooler, had some fitment issues. I dropped a bolt into the turbo. Don't worry, I got it out. I used a magnet. I fished it out. But the real reason I'm cutting this video short is because it's really going to contradict the next video. And I don't want there to be any spoilers or anything like that because the next video is going to be a really big deal. So you guys are just going to have to wait and see. I did some off-camera work, but I'm going to record the rest of it tomorrow, and I'm not even gonna finish it tomorrow, so it's gonna be like a whole series basically. So yeah, I don't want to bore you guys with like 15-20 minute video of me doing all this just to, I'll say, take it right back off. But yeah, the first bit was good and whatnot. I just don't want to do the rest of it. It took me a while to do these simple things. So in the next video, we'll see what's happening. And thank you guys for watching. And as always, have a good one.